Buying a home doesn't have to be a stressful event, as many people think. With a little planning and foresight, the experience can be positive and exciting. This video will help you understand some important aspects of the home buying process and help you buy the home that's just right for you.
If you are wondering if now is the right time to sell your home, now is the time to find out what it's worth. If you want to know, just register in the box to the right and check the home market value option. I will send you my latest Peninsula Market Report or a copy of my Campbell Real Estate Market Timing Letter, $120 value for no charge. As always, your information will be kept strictly confidential. Thanks and speak soon.